based on a compilation of owner complaints, forums, and reliability data from sources like Consumer Reports and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA). The 2018 Nissan Rogue has several commonly reported issues. While some owners report a reliable experience with regular maintenance, the most frequent problems focus on the transmission, engine, electrical systems, brakes, and climate control. Here are the top 5 issues to be aware of for the 2018 Nissan Rogue. But before I start, I would like to invite you to join my channel membership, which will give you perks like having your name mentioned in a video on my channel, plus more awesome incentives. Now, 1. CVT transmission failure. The most widespread and serious problem is the continuously variable transmission CVT. Owners report sudden loss of power, especially during highway driving, severe shuddering, hesitation upon acceleration, and complete transmission failure, often before reaching 100,000 miles. This is such a common issue that Nissan faced class action lawsuits regarding the CVT's reliability. One owner reported a $6,000 replacement cost, and the issue is so prevalent that some dealers have months-long wait times for repairs. 2. Engine issues like misfires, oil pressure, and stalling. The 2018 Rogue experiences a variety of engine-related problems. The most alarming is a sudden loss of engine power or stalling while driving, which poses a significant safety risk. Other common complaints include engine knocking or taking noises under load, often caused by carbon deposits in the combustion chamber. Additionally, some owners report oil pressure warning lights and mechanical engine noises, which can be caused by a defective oil pump, potentially leading to catastrophic engine failure if ignored. 3. Electrical accessories and battery drain. A wide range of electrical issues plague the 2018 Rogue. Many owners report that the vehicle kills batteries prematurely, requiring replacement as often as every 1 to 2 years. Other common complaints include failing key fobs, intermittent operation of 12 volts power outlets, faulty door locks, and problems with automatic lift gates that open only to close partway on their own. 4. Electronic parking brake failure. Owners frequently report failures with the electronic parking brake system. The problem is typically indicated by a warning light and an error message on the dash. This is often caused by a failure of the electric motor located inside the brake caliper. One owner reported paying $550 for this repair. 5. Heating and AC and cooling fan problems. Problems with the climate control system are common. The most notable issue is the failure of the engine's main cooling fan. Some owners report the fan becoming extremely noisy before failing completely. This can lead to engine overheating if not addressed. Dealerships have reported high demand for replacement fans, with one owner being told of a 3 to 4 month wait for the part. Other owners report inconsistent heating, where the cabin heater blows warm air initially but turns cold after about 30 minutes of driving. For more videos like these, please subscribe to the channel. Also, you can join my membership community for exclusive, member-only perks like having your name mentioned in future videos on this channel and more. Also, to support the channel, you can give a super thanks.